Right, this is going to be a tasty Tuesday. We're just having a barbecue after the wedding celebrations with the close family to say thank you.
Or just together.
Or just together. Pol. Wedding was good? Good. Happy finished?
Happy finish.
Can relax?
Yeah.
Pretty bloody stressful. Let's just take you through quickly what's on the barbecue tonight.
Beef.
Beef. So beef is psycho.
Pork ribs for you.
We've got pork ribs. Oh yes.
And you can have some beef too if you want.
The beef was pretty good last the other night.
Huh?
Beef was pretty good the other night.
Yeah.
Was the beef from the Dusty Butcher up the road?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, fantastic. We'll have to make sure we show you that Dusty Butcher at some point. What else you got? Prawns?
Prawn and... Is it squid or...
Baby octopus? Octopus and squid the same thing? I think squid are different. Squid are the small ones, aren't they? It's got a bit of beef there. Shit, you got a bit of seafood behind you too. Bloody hell. There's a fair bit of food here. And how come you're not using the chopsticks on?
Because I'm using the tongue.
Oh, I thought, is it because you're now so used to
No.
tongs?
There's only one tongue.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Has anything been marinated here?
Beef and the pork.
Beef and the pork. Is it the same sort of marinade that we use at home?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. So nothing different. So this should taste just as good as what you do there.
Better.
Better? Why?
Fresh pork.
Why
No
better?
stinky pork.
Ah, it's better because it's fresh, even though it's fresh from the dirty roadside butcher.
Yeah.
Because you can wash dust off,
Yeah.
but you can't wash away
The frozen.
frozen or what was I trying to say?
The stinky pork.
What's the opposite of fresh? Off, being off. You can't spoilt. That's what we got there. You can't wash away the spoiltness of a meat. You can give it a good crack, and if you do eat it after that, then you'll end up like me.
What?
What have I been complaining about the last 3 days?
Stomach ache.
Thank you. Old Market, overpriced.
Central Market.
Central Market, overpriced. Shitty chicken.
Starting to show the beauty already.
Ah, right.
See?
That's where all the flavour is. What's this barbecue actually? Is this a recycled something? I think it is. I doubt it's purpose built. If it's purpose built, then it's pretty good because it's got a big down the bottom to hold all the stuff. It's got some holes drilled in it to allow the oxygen through. It's a pretty good size. It looks pretty. Oh, it's even got an ashtray down there, so that's sitting on a grate, is it? It's two. Maybe I invest in a grate for our one. That looks pretty good. Might check back in once things are cooking a little bit more. Oh, my pork looks like it's done like a dinner. Jimmy's on the... Good stuff. One beer. And since I've gone inside to check on Max and procure Kinal back after a feed for a little boat, it's kicked off again. So I thought this was going to be a nice quiet evening and we could just sort of slip away. Yeah. But it's gone up a gear. Good job. She just had a swig. There's a Scotch and Coke in there. She's already gone rock star. She sang last night too on stage. Table there. They're the heavy drinkers. Moderate drinkers. Bride and groom. Cooking area still going strong. Jumbo. Long Yang. Srai Sra. Miss Alcohol. Srei Srabong. Miss Drunk. And then we've got the quiet table over here. I'm one of them tonight. Right. When we went to Takamal, you pointed at these and said, that's what I want. What were they?
Salmon fins.
Salmon fins. Show us how they're cooked.
Marinate and put on the barbecue.
Are they delicious?
With the fat.
Oh, they're very fatty. Ah.
See?
Okay. Oh, the enjoyment. Oh, yes.
Temperature hot.
Oh, temperature hot. Oh, not chili hot.
Oh, the fatty.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Does anyone eat salmon fins at home? Well, that started off as being a quiet barbecue and it's turned into this. I'm wrecked from the last couple of days. There. Whenever you see this, hope you enjoy. It's an insight into a post-wedding party.